the God which the Bible reveals to us is one God. My dear brothers, sisters, precious friends, there is only one God. One God. Yet, unfathomable as it is to our limited mentality, mysterious as it is to our understanding, this one true God, despite every unbeliever's rejection, atheist, agnostic, and whatever, presents himself as a triune God. One God. One God. It is not my discovery. No, it is his own revelation of himself in nature, the Bible, and other ways. Let me emphasize that I humbly, tonight, seek to understand this mystery as much as you do and confess to both of our limitations. Nevertheless, let us please look at examples from nature. In which God provides some evidence of the Trinity. We have the elements. How many? 3. Solids, gases, liquids. All matter comes from those 3. The air we breathe is also 3 atoms. 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen. But it is the air. Water is normally liquid, but frozen it becomes ice, and boiled becomes gas or steam. The same substance, yet 3 forms. Look at the sun, 93 million miles away. It's warm, it's light, its heat comes to us, yet it is one sun. Time is divided into past, present, future. Man himself is spirit, mind, and body. Even the family is made up of father, mother, and children. From the very first verses in the Bible, the Trinity is revealed for anyone to see. Then God said, "Let us make man in our image, according to our likeness. Verse 26. I urge you to tell me, please, was God discussing the making of the crown of his creation with himself? In other words, was he talking to himself? Or was he talking to someone else within this mighty Trinity we call God?
And I would agree with Tovia that if you approach this question simply on the basis of the Hebrew Bible, or what we would call the Old Testament, one wouldn't come to believe that God is a Trinity.
يا أهل الكتاب لا تغلوا في دينكم ولا تقولوا على الله إلا الحق إنما المسيح عيسى ابن مريم رسول الله وكلمته ألقاها إلى مريم وروح منه فآمنوا بالله ورسله ولا تقولوا ثلاثا انتهوا خيرا لكم إنما الله إله واحد سبحانه أن يكون له ولد له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وكفى بالله وكيلا